Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about general knowledge question on Assam. Actually, this video is a continuation of previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please check out the description. I will provide the link. So you are watching Assam General Knowledge. Let's get started. So our first question is, in which year National Games was held in Assam? Option A 2002, option B 2004, option C 2005, and option D 2007. And the correct answer is option D 2007. These National Games was the 33rd National Games which was held in Assam, and Assam got 38 gold, 53 silver, and 57 bronze medal. Next question is, Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is located at option A Chirang, option B Dibrugarh, option C Kokrajhar, and option D Jorhat. The correct answer is option D Jorhat. This wildlife sanctuary was established in the year 1997 and area of this park is 20.99 kilometer square. The question number 3 is, the Guwahati Tea Auction Center was established in which year? Option A 1970, option B 1972, option C 1975, and option D 1977. And the correct answer is option A 1970. The Guwahati Tea Auction is the busiest tea auction in the world, having the biggest trading facility in the world. Question number 4 is, which town is also known as the Manchester of Assam? Option A Jorhat, option B Swalkuchi, option C Diphu, and option D Digboi. The correct answer is option B Swalkuchi. Swalkuchi is situated in northern bank of river Brahmaputra, and it is the center of Assam textile production. Question number 5 is, the Brahmaputra Crackers and Polymer Limited, popularly known as BCPL industry, is located at option A Makum, option B Mariani, option C Lepetkata, and option D Nagaon. And the correct answer is option C Lepetkata. BCPL started on 7th April 2007, and the area of this industry is about 3000 bigha. And it is situated at approximately 15 kilometer from Dibrugarh. Question number 6 is, in which city of Assam has the largest dry fish market of Asia? Option A, Tangla. Option B, Jagi Road. Option C, Dhuburi. And option D, Tinsukia. And the correct answer is option B, Jagi Road. It is the place in Mayong subdivision, Morigao district. Question number 7. In which year Guwahati University was established? Option A, 1935. Option B, 1942. Option C, 1948. And option D, 1950. And the correct answer is option C, 1948. Question number 8. Who was the first Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University? Option A, Krishnakanta Hendik. Option B, Hemchandra Goswami. Option C, Padmanath Gohain Barua. And option D, Rajnikanta Bordoloi. And the correct answer is option A, Krishnakanta Hendik. Question number 9. Total number of parliamentary constituency in Assam is option A, 12. Option B, 13. Option C, 14. And option D, 16. And the correct answer is option C, 14. Question number 10 is, Lakshminath Besbarua is honored with Rajaras by Assam Sahitya Sabha in which year? Option A, 1917. Option B, 1922. Option C, 1928. And option D, 1931. And the correct answer is option D, 1931. He was honored on 29 December 1931 at Shivsagar session. Question number 11. Namgosa was written by option A, Shankardev. Option B, Madhavdev. Option C, Madhava Kandali. And option D, none of above. And the correct answer is option B, Madhavdev. It was written in Assamese language at about 1568 to 1596. So next question is, Halodiya Chorai Bandhon Khai won the National Film Award for the Best Feature Film in the year 1985. Option B, 1988. Option C, 1990. And option D, 1991. And the correct answer is option B, 1988. The director of this film is Jhanu Barua. It has also won multiple awards at the international level also in Locarno International Film Festival in 1988. Locarno Film Festival. Question number 13. The film Halodiya Chorai Bandhon Khai was directed by option A, Bhupendra Nath Saikia. Option B, Jhanu Barua. Option C, Bhupendra Hazarika. And option D, Manju Bora. Correct answer is Jhanu Barua, option B. I have also mentioned this in previous question. So, question 14 is, how much percentage of Indian land mass is covered by the state of Assam? Option A, 3.39%. Option B, 2.39%. Option C, 4.39%. And option D, 2.93%. And the correct answer is option B, 2.39%. And population of this state is about 3 crore 11 lakh 69,272, which is about 2.6% of total Indian population. And area of Assam is 78,483 kilometer square. Question 15. Which language is used by Shankardev to written Borgits? Option A, Assamese. Option B, Sanskrit. Option C, Bengali. And option D, Bajravali. And the correct answer is option D, Bajravali. This language is a mixture of Assamese and Maithili language. Question number 16. The literacy rate of Assam according to 2011 census is option A, 72.19%. Option B, 72.58%. Option C, 73.12%. Option D, 73.98%. And the correct answer is option A, 72.19%. Question number 17. When the uprising of Patharughat took place? Option A, 1857. Option B, 1864. Option C, 1889. And option D, 1894. And the correct answer is option D, 1894. It is also called the Jallianwala Bagh of Assam. It took place on 28 Jan 1894, and about 140 peasants were killed in this massacre, and they were protesting against enhanced revenue. Question number 18. Who was the president of Swaraj Party in Assam during freedom movement? Option A, Vishnuram Medhi. Option B, Gopinath Bordoloi. Option C, Tarun Ram Phukan. Option D, Maniram Diwan. And the correct answer is option C, Tarun Ram Phukan. He was born on 22 Jan 1877 and died in the year 28 July 1939. Question number 9. The terracotta industry is located in which district? Option A, Dhuburi. Option B, Karimganj. Option C, Gwalpara. And option D, Dhemaji. And the correct answer is option A, Dhubri. The people of Dhubri create a range of fascinating terracotta and pottery items under Devitola Development Block of Dhuri district. I will write it down. Devitola. Development Block. Question number 20. The Ahom kingdom was established in which year? Option A 1216, option B 1228, option C 1256, and option D 1272. And the correct answer is option B 1228. The first king of Ahom kingdom was Sukapha. Sukapha came from Mongk Mao and entered Brahmaputra Valley crossing rugged Patkai mountain. He came from Mongk Mao and he came from rugged Patkai mountain range. Question number 21. The Shiva doll was constructed during the reign of option A Pramata Singha, option B Rudra Singha, option C Purandar Singha, and option D Rajeshwar Singha. And the correct answer is option D Rajeshwar Singha. He was the grandson belonging to lineage of Prabhatiya Gosain. Hence, it is also called Nati Gosain doll. Question number 22. The Assam Public Service Commission (APSC) regulation was promulgated in exercise of the powers in the year option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1951, and option D 1960. And the correct answer is option C 1951. The first stadium of Assam was built in option A Jorhat, option B Golaghat, option C Shivasagar, option D Dhemaji. And the correct answer is option A Jorhat. The capacity of that stadium is about 25,000 spectators. And this stadium is also used to host various cricket and football matches. The first Ranji Trophy match was held in this stadium in about 1949-1950 season of Ranji Trophy. Question number 24. Sadiya Khowa Gohain was option A Jamindar, option B a king, option C frontier officer, and option D naval commander. And the correct answer is option D naval commander. Question number 25. Prachya Sasanavali was edited by option A Dr. Maheshwar Niyok, option B Dr. Birichi Kumar Barua, option C Dr. Surya Kumar Buyan, and option D Alexander Mackenzie. And the correct answer is option A Dr. Maheshwar Niyok. Dr. Maheshwar Newok was specialized in the cultural history of Northeast, especially of Assam. Which king is also known by the nickname as Bhagaraja? Option A, Sutiampha. Option B, Sutambla. Option C, Surampha. And option D, Sunyatpha. And the correct answer is option C, Surampha. Surampha was the king of Ahom Kingdom during the period of 1641 to 1644. Question number 27. During freedom struggle, the Maitru Bahini was formed by option A, Chandrapava Saikyani, option B, Pushpalata Das, option C, Rani Gendiliu, option D, Kanaklata Barua. And the correct answer is option B, Pushpalata Das. She was born in the year 1915 and she got died in the year 2003. She was an independence activist and she was a member of Rajya Sabha from 1951 to 1961. Ranghar was constructed during the reign of option A, Rudra Singha, option B, Rajeshwar Singha, option C, Pramata Singha, and option D, Shiva Singha. And the correct answer is option C, Pramata Singha. The meaning of Ranghar is House of Entertainment. It is a two-story building which has served as a royal sports pavilion where the Ahom Kingdom were noble spectators and they enjoy the game like buffalo fight and other sports. Question number 29. When was Assam Provincial Congress Committee was formed? Option A, 1920, option B, 1921, option C, 1922, and option D, 1923. And the correct answer is option B, 1921. Question number 30. The author of Asomia Sahitya Buranji is option A, Nathan Brown, option B, Jatindranath Dwara, option C, Devendranath Bezbarua, and option B, Gunabhiram Barua. And the correct answer is option C, Devendranath Bezbarua. The term Buranji is a classical manuscript which was initially written in Ahom language. Later it got translated in Assamese language. The first Buranji was written on the instruction of first Ahom Kingdom, which was Sukapha. So you should remember that first king of Ahom was Sukapha. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and do subscribe my channel for my latest videos, which will help you for the preparation of APSC examination in the future. Thank you so much.